Hi, I'm Dennis, and I'd like to take you back to the 1960s when my brother Dan and I would fish the Peconic River and Forge Pond for big bass and pickerel. Anyway, enjoy. This is a spot where my brother Dan would usually fish, right at the outflow pipe, and I would fish on the right side of the willow to the right side of the photo. It's a 26-inch pickerel right at that spot. Bass on hula popper and giant bass caught at the willow at the outflow pipe. It's the same fish. 26-inch pickerel. Stringer of bass with an old friend, Dick Travis. 24-inch pickerel. The biggest pickerel we ever caught, my brother Dan, with a 5-pound plus 26-inch Lunker pickerel. Also, Dan with 2 giant largemouths from Forge Pond. This was the same day I caught 2 other good-sized largemouths. My daughter Doreen holding a 25-inch pickerel from Forge Pond. This was Tresslers bait and tackle on Route 25A. Way back in the day, you could rent a boat for $2. Yep, had a lot of fun there. Forge Pond. Peconic River at the outflow pipe. You can see my old Chevy in the foreground. Nice 5-pound Lunker from Riverhead, Peconic River. 26-inch pickerel. And this is the biggest bass I ever caught out of the river or Forge Pond, a 22-inch Lunker. What a beauty. Caught him at Forge Pond, right along the railroad bed with his overhanging willows. Anyways, thanks for watching.